Hello, Bebecitas, and welcome back to this beautiful channel. My name is Liz. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys what I got for my September Sparkle & Co. subscription bag. Sparkle & Co. is a company that mostly focuses on giving us nail products. They offer subscription bags that are delivered monthly to your home. The subscription bags can be either dip powder, gel, or a combination of both. The one that I get is the $29.99 subscription bag, and it's the dip powder bag. You get 3 dip powders and a liquid, all for $29.99, and they also always include some goodies for us. If you are interested in signing up for the subscription bag, I recommend you hop on that right after this video and through October 5th. That is the cutoff date so that you can get October's sparkle bag. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I got for the month of September Sparkle & Co. subscription bag. Look at the size of this box. This month is actually a swag month, which means that instead of getting a little bag, we are getting an umbrella and a mask with all $29.99 and up subscriptions. This is so exciting to me. We get this beautiful umbrella with our bags. I'm so excited. So the theme for this month is City Chic. From the Big Apple to the Big Easy, we wanted this month's bag to be filled with big city dreams. Whether you love strolling through Seattle or hailing cabs in Chicago, these colors are sure to make you the talk of the town. So this is what the umbrella looks like. It's a pink and black umbrella. It is beautiful. The handle is different. It's a unique type of umbrella. It's kind of like an upside down type of umbrella. How many times am I going to say umbrella? But see, it's really sturdy, really good material. Here is a really good look how it actually opens up. It opens up in reverse, which is pretty neat, and it is a really nice size. And Sparkle & Co. has to have their logo on everything, so I love it. I absolutely love that umbrella. If you know me, you know I love me some pink in my life. And this is the mask that they sent us. Super blinged out, super sparkly, just right up my alley. Such a girly girl when it comes to these things, and I know the perfect place to wear this to, so I can't wait to have it on. It's beautiful, and it's really well made as well. So moving right along to our actual products here. As I said, you get 3 dip powders and a liquid, and they always send stickers with our orders with their little bags, so that's super cute. Something really unique that Sparkle & Co. does is that they collaborate with other brands, and depending on the level subscription you get, there's items from other brands as well. Let's go ahead and dive right into these colors. So the first one up, SB 123, Call Me a Cabernet, is a beautiful deep burgundy color. It's really a Cabernet, like a red wine color. SB 124 hashtag I'm on the list is a mixture of that Cabernet color with some glitter on. This is the swatch right here. As you can tell, it has that wine base and then lots and lots of glitter on top. Beautiful color. Next one up is SB125 Skyline Silhouette, and this is a deep, deep, deep navy blue color. It almost looks black, but it's really navy, and it's a solid color. Would look beautiful either matte or shiny. And the liquid this month is a matte finish type of product. So if you do want to go for the matte look, there's something to try out. I haven't tried it yet, and I'm excited to play with it. So that is everything that I got for this month. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed, go ahead and do so right now by clicking that red subscription button down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you and stay blessed. Bye.